Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best flagpole for tailgating, the PHITRIC flagpole kit. If you're a sports fan who loves showing off your team spirit, this flagpole kit is designed to make your flag flying experience hassle-free, durable, and stylish. The PHITRIC flagpole kit stands out because of its clever tangle-free spinning design. The pole features rings and clips that rotate a full 360 degrees, which means your flag won't get wrapped or tangled around the pole no matter how windy it gets. This is a game changer for tailgating or any outdoor event where you want your flag to fly freely and proudly without the frustration of unraveling knots. Built from high-quality stainless steel alloy, this flagpole is not just about looks. It's rugged and weather-resistant, designed to withstand rain, wind, and sun without rusting or cracking over time. The sleek black finish adds a modern touch that fits perfectly on your truck, boat, or home exterior. Whether it's a sunny game day or rainy afternoon, this pole is built to last. One of the best features is its adjustable length. The 4-section design allows you to customize the pole from just over a foot to a full 5 feet. So you can easily assemble it or break it down for transport and storage. No need for professional installation. The threaded sections simply screw together, making setup quick and straightforward, perfect for tailgating where time and convenience matter. The pole also comes with adjustable grommets and anti-wrap rings that fit a variety of flag sizes, from 2 by 3 feet to 4 by 6 feet. This flexibility means you can fly your favorite team flag, a seasonal banner, or even a promotional flag with ease. The design ensures your flag won't curl or twist in the wind, keeping it looking sharp throughout the event. Installation is versatile as well. The PHITRIC kit includes a sturdy aluminum alloy bracket, allowing secure mounting on walls, trucks, or even boats. Whether you're decorating your tailgate setup or your home porch, this flagpole offers a reliable and stable display for your flags. In terms of size and weight, this pole is compact and lightweight, making it highly portable. Weighing just over a pound and measuring around 5 feet when fully extended, it's easy to carry and store in your vehicle. This portability is a major advantage for anyone who loves to take their flags on the road. To sum it up, the PHITRIC flagpole kit combines durability, convenience, and clever design features that cater perfectly to tailgaters and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Its rust-proof construction and 360-degree spinning rings mean your flag flies beautifully without tangles. The adjustable size and easy assembly make it simple to set up wherever you go. If you want a dependable, stylish, and versatile flagpole for your next tailgate or outdoor event, this kit deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in this flagpole or want to learn more about similar products, be sure to check the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.